Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're comparing two prominent crypto trading bots, and that would be Bloombot and Trojan Bot. So both Bloombot and Trojan Bot offer unique advantages for traders. Let's try to dissect which one might be better suited for you. Bloombot is a cross-chain trading bot designed to provide an unfair advantage in crypto trading. It offers a suite of powerful features to help traders capitalize on token launches and execute trades confidently. Trojan is a Telegram-based trading bot tailored for the Solana and Ethereum networks. It emphasizes speed and efficiency, granting users direct access to live price feeds with zero delay. In terms of key features, Bloombot supports multiple blockchains, allowing traders to manage diverse portfolios seamlessly. The sniping and AFK mode enables users to secure newly launched tokens instantly and trade confidently without constant monitoring. The limit orders feature allows setting predefined buy or sell orders, automating trades based on market conditions. Trojan operates directly within Telegram, providing a familiar and user-friendly interface. Trojan also facilitates an average of 28 million in daily trading volume, handling over 175,000 trades and serving more than 20,000 users daily. And lastly, it offers instant access to live price feeds, crucial for timely trading decisions. In summary, Bloombot provides a comprehensive cross-chain trading experience with advanced features like sniping and limit orders, ideal for traders seeking versatility. On the other hand, Trojan offers a streamlined, high-speed trading environment within Telegram, perfect for those prioritizing speed and simplicity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights.